Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, co-author of the B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0. In this short video, I'll provide a brief overview or explanation about our offerings and how they can help your organization to stay relevant. The B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0 were written to support our workshops. They provide a common language to enable participants to easily understand the content and to work better together. So why 5 workshops? Here's our thinking. Every employee should understand change and support change, and I hope you would agree with that. We have Be Ready for Change workshop. We believe it's not that people are fearful of change. They are fearful when they are unprepared for change. This workshop prepares them for change and provides an excellent understanding about the concept of change and what is required from a professional and personal point of view. We follow a 3-step model: prepare, engage, implement, and we know from experience this helps make change stick. In order to help people want to change and be an active part of change, they should ideally be engaged and to go above and beyond, to do more than it is expected of them. We have Be Engaged workshop. At the end of the day, we try to make this the best place to work. We don't want people to leave their hearts and their minds at the door, and that's what we try to achieve through Be Engaged workshop. We also use what we call the Pollen model: purpose, operating system, which is the culture, learning, leadership, entrusting, and nurturing. In order to be an agile leader, an infinite leader, one must understand innovation and what it takes to be a truly innovative organization. We explore how being innovative affects business models, the culture, and ultimately the results. We have Be Innovative workshop. See, it's not just about being agile. There's more to it than that. It's about understanding the 3-box model of innovation, understanding what to let go of, what needs to work today, and what we need to do in the future. As we like to say, innovation is all about commercializing ideas. Be a Great Leader workshop combines the learnings from the previous 3 workshops, plus we use a 9-step model for effective leadership to enable participants to become great leaders. We source content from our own experience in the field, having led large multinational companies over the last 25 years, plus having run our own franchise operation, and we've gleaned from the top thought leaders whom we've had the privilege to work with, and we combine this into a really great 3-day workshop. Finally, we believe that all employees should, in fact I'd like to say must, understand and support the concept of what it really means to be a digitally enabled business. We're not talking about just doing digital, we're talking about being digital. Being digital is not just about technology and fancy apps. We argue it's more than that. It's about the people, the processes, the procedures, and the business models. We have Be Ready for Digital Business Transformation workshop. This workshop is based on the B-Book version 2.0. In essence, it is Change version 2.0. We believe that this workshop will enable everybody in your organization to really understand what it means to be digital and enable your organization to be fit for purpose. For each workshop, we also offer a Train the Trainer option, which allows your facilitators to deliver the workshops internally to as many people as you wish. The facilitators must attend the workshop and then immediately after that, a 2-day Train the Trainer session where we will certify them to deliver the content of the relevant workshop that they have attended. This has proved really popular with clients all over the world, and it's a win-win situation. Our purpose is to make a difference to people's lives, and we believe we achieve this through our workshops in every Train the Trainer session. It gives us great satisfaction and tremendous pride when we receive letters and emails from clients telling us how we've made a difference to their lives. We always maintain that we are just the catalysts for action. We show participants how they can use their experience to make a difference. We ensure that they understand the content, they can deliver it or apply it in the relevant way, and they are not just passive receptors. We encourage and inspire participants to understand the possibilities of what they can achieve. Often people know what to do. They just don't know how to do it at that particular time, or they just need a little push or a little show of confidence. And that's what we do in these workshops. Our workshops encourage all employees to go down the tunnel and put the light on. Basically, we encourage everybody to start taking action now. We're passionate about what we do. We do not tolerate mediocrity, and we have a high sense of urgency. And this is what we push with every interaction with our clients. I hope this short video has answered many of the questions that you may have had before this video was made. And if you require any further information, please engage with me. I look forward to spending some time with you on Skype, Zoom, whatever the platform is. And we hope to hear from you soon to help you overachieve your targets, to help you keep your business relevant. And we hope to continue to make a difference to people's lives. Thank you for your time.